Georgetown, I'm Maliha. I'm a senior at SFS Qatar, and today I'm going to share with you a day in my life. So today's a Tuesday. That means I have 3 classes. My first class is at 9 a.m., which is my English minor tutorial. Then I have another class at 2:30 p.m., which is my Zones of Conflict and Zones of Peace class. And finally, I have my 4:30 p.m. seminar that runs till 7 p.m. and it's on slavery, museums, and monuments. So we have a long day ahead, so let's get started. Since my class is at 9 a.m., I decided to have breakfast at university, so I went straight to get ready. As you can see, I'm ready, so off to university. But wait, first an outfit check. Fun fact, I share my dorms not only with students from Georgetown, but also students from other universities like Northwestern or Texas A&M. Since the dorms are separate from the campus, I take a tram every day to get to the university and back. The tram basically connects all 8 universities across Education City, including Georgetown and some other places like Qatar National Library. I met some of my friends, got a light breakfast, and then headed to the library since my first class was rescheduled. So I got some work done and I went to the Center for International and Regional Studies to listen to a talk on mobility diplomacy that I had to write a report on for one of my classes. After the talk, I headed for my Zones of Conflicts and Zones of Peace class. So I'm done with my Zones of Peace and Zones of Conflict class, and I'm gonna head to my Slavery and Museums class in about half an hour, and I just had to pick some books from the library. So this class is different because we have students joining in from the DC campus on Zoom. So usually I'm done with my classes by 7 or 7:10 and I'm free for the rest of the night, but today it's my friend's birthday, so we went out for dinner. Alright, so I'm back from the dinner and it's pretty late, so I guess I'm done for the day. But thank you so much for joining me. See you soon. Hoya Saksa.